Here we're going to look at a couple examples that are specifically related to converting back and forth between exponential and logarithmic equations. So we have exponential and log equations that can both be in the form x equals a to the y equals log base a of x. And you can see over here that we have this beautiful conversion that takes place, and it all has to do with your base. So notice my base a is right here. It is the little number off to the log. My base over here for my exponent is the big number that's attached to the exponential value. So the location of that base is the important piece. And so here, if we look at this first example, I want to convert these over to logarithmic. I'm not asking to evaluate. I'm just simply asking to go from the exponential into logarithmic form. So the first way that we do that is we need to evaluate or figure out their parts. So essentially, the 5 right here is your base, which a lot of times is labeled as a. And then if we look, we would have that the -3 piece is y, and the 1 over 125 is your x. And so we just simply have to put them where they belong under your log equation. So here this would end up being log base 5 of 1 over 125 is equal to -3. And that's it. All you're asked to do, nothing more. Let's try it again. Here, my e is going to be the base. Again, remember that's the a piece. To the -t, this is my y piece. And then my 4,000 here equals the x. So what does that mean? That means this becomes the log base e of 4,000 equals -t. Now, log base e here has a very special term, and that term is called natural log. Natural log is represented by ln. Okay? So the other way that you can look at this is that you have the ln of 4,000 equals -t. Now, both of those were exponential switching over into log. And what happens if I give you the log and I want to switch it to exponential? Well, again, to do that, you just simply have to identify the parts. So the 4 right here is my base, which is the a term. I then have my 7, which is going to be your x term. And then you have the t, which is your y. So we have to rearrange them into my exponential form. So the exponential form is like this. So we're going to rearrange it so that it fits this equation. Since x is 7, it's going to rearrange to say 7 is equal to, my base is 4 raised to the t. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to get started with being able to convert back and forth between exponentials and logarithmic equations. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I'll see you next time.